the members and the research itself so that we can proceed to the Q&A as a group.
Good afternoon, panelists. We are Group 1 of the Set 4-1 major in English. I'm Isabel Lima Esbeth.
I'm Jordan Lona. I'm River
Lawrence Delicano.
I'm Jan Corralice. And I'm Jan Lester Silvao.
And the title of our research is English Language Anxiety and Potential Predictors Among Selected Students in the College of Education, Basis for a Language Intervention Program. We are now ready for your comments, suggestions.
Alright, group kayo ha. Kaya mayroon akong question doon sa video, malaki ang katawan ng lalaki ka. May tanong ako ha, sagutin mo ako. Ang puso mo ay love. Kaya lang ayaw pa ilabas. Tama, hindi. Ang puso mo ay love. Ayaw mo pa express ang todo.
Ayun na yun.
Ha? After this express mo na lang todo. Ito sa tabi mo. May karanasan ka na. Totoo, hindi. Oh, nahuhuli ko eh.
Pag yung isa dyan nagtatago, ayun sa Roy nagtatago yun.
Saan yan nagtatago?
Ayun yung sa Roy
Huliin ko na. Masarap ang pakain eh. Okay. Direct to the point na tayo para matapos. So this is title, Potential Predictors of English Language Anxiety among the selected students in the College of Education, Basis for a Language Intervention Program. Okay, so yun na ang title nun. And then dito sa problem yung number 1, how do the respondents assess their profile variables in terms of the following? How do they assess their profile variables? Kasi ang variable nila dito, self-esteem, sinasagot ko eh. And then number 2, retain. Okay. Number 3, are there significant predictors of English language anxiety among students, respondents? And then last is posted. Sa akin, okay na kayo. Congratulations. I'll go ahead. Kasi I am already iiwan ko na yan. Oh. Tinanong na lang gusto ko. Uulitin ko ulit. Malakas ang sound mo, no? Alin sa dalawa, ikaw? Malakas ang sound mo? Ha? Malakas.
Malakas na.
Naku, baka disturbi ka. Hindi ako yung nagbibiro na para hindi ka natutupunta na.
Mat! Let us ask the other members of the panel. Sir Rodel or Sis Ma'am Darlene, who would go first?
Okay, so good afternoon. Maybe the best for last. Sabi ni Sir Rodel, ni kami nagugutom.
Uy, sa akin yan.
Ano yun?
Sa akin din yan.
An intervention program. Kanina pa yung mga intervention program na yan. Okay, so based on your findings, how would you design your intervention program? Based on your findings. Ito ba yun? Yung language, this result serve as a direct basis for a language aimed at strengthening for creators. So yun yan. Ano pa? magagawa? Every day? So, ano ba ang inyong...
Yes po ma'am, yung time frame po ma'am, gagawin po namin is parang kasama na po siya sa class. Yung parang everyday po gagawin na po nila.
Ito pa yung hinuli mo
For
pa
example po
talaga.
sa test anxiety, before po sila mag-test, may po na activity before mag-test.
Sila.
So para ma-lesson po sa mga students yung kaba, tsaka parang motivation po.
Sino ang inyong dito, participant?
Students po.
Oma.
Ay, ano po?
Range of education selected.
Select.
Ilan?
Second year po to fourth year.
Pero second year to
Fourth year.
fourth year. So,
Siguro
English language and science. So, sa College of Education, meron kayong mga dito, BS and
Yes,
in English
yes,
na
yes.
mas madami sila.
Yes, yes.
Mas madami sila.
Ang wala lang po namin na course ma'am is Filipino kasi po naka-base po kami sa
Medium.
gumagamit po ng medium na English.
Okay. So, okay naman sa inyong recommendation. Ano po English speaking partner? So, you have to have a, body
Yes po, dun po
language.
yan ma'am sa communication comprehension because yung yung mga predictors po nila is kasama po is more on po sa kanila is peer pressure. So we decide ma'am na yung activity is more on para nakikipag po sila collaboration po para opo may partner na may two groups or may buong group.
References, pakiayos na lang po ang inyong kapag you are more authors, gamit ko kayo na FR. And then, the rest is in your manuscript. Thank you.
Alright, so we're good. Let's go.
Okay, sige. So, good afternoon. So, may assignment ako sa inyo. Kasi you use multiple linear regression. However, dun kasi sa equation na ginawa ninyo, sinama ninyo sa equation yung not significant, yung low, yung higher than 0.05. So, yung assignment ko sa inyo is kapag ba gumawa ng equation, linear equation, sinasama ba ang not significant? Kasi ang ginawa ninyo, sinama ninyo eh. So yun yung ipapa-assignment ko sa inyo. Then pag nagpa-approve kayo ulit sa akin, ayan, you have to answer my assignment. Ayan. So, then, ano to eh, pinano na to sa akin, Sir Brian. Kaya, the good thing kasi kayo lang, so far from this group, or from this day, kayo pa lang yung regression analysis. So yun yung edge ninyo from against the other group. Okay, so question ko dito sa linear regression, from ilang variables ninyo, independent variables? 5. Alin doon yung pinaka-best predictor?
Peer pressure.
Peer pressure.
Ano po sir, for test anxiety, peer pressure. Sa communication comprehension naman po, tatlo. Self-esteem, peer pressure, then language learning opportunities. Then po sa fear of negative evaluation, tatlo rin po. Self-esteem, teacher support, and peer pressure. So, parang more...
Sila lang yung mga nag-significant.
Yes, yes, sir.
Then the rest of the variables,
Hindi po.
however, dun nga sa equation ninyo, sinama nyo pa rin yung not significant. Kaya yun yung pinapasa nyo kasi. Then, yun. Since yun yung mga variables, mga best predictors, so supposedly, yung nag-come up kayo ng inyong action plan o yung inyong output, doon kayo nag-focus. Tama ba? Good. Then, sige, the rest, nasa comment ko naman na yung proper formatting, yung kung ano yung mga dapat i-add, and then your assignment. Yun lang.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.